Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can download and set up or access the J&C Language School application on your iPhones. So if you are somebody who has already enrolled at J&C Language School, but now you are confused about how to download and set up the app for your classes, or if you are somebody who would like to check all the details or explore the features available on the J&C app in order to enroll in future, you are in the right video. So let's start off, and I would like to first explain you how the enrollment process or the admission procedure works. So in order to get your enrollment done, you can connect with any of our counselors at J&C Language School. They are going to guide you about how you can process your payments and how you can fill the form. So here is the official J&C Language School admission form that you need to fill right after completing your payment. Once you have done the payment and you have filled this admission form, you receive a document on your email. Once you have signed that document as well, your process at your end completes. Now, you need to wait for 24 to 48 hours for the J&C Language School's admin team to send you a confirmation or your invoice, as well as an email that looks like this. So it states that you have been enrolled in a course at J&C Language School, and once you receive this email, it's a green signal for you to download and set up the J&C app. So let's start with the same. Now I have opened the App Store and I'm searching the J&C Language School application. So I have typed the name in the search bar, and this is how the J&C Language School application looks like. So this is the official app that you need to download, and the app has already been downloaded on my phone, so it shows me the option of opening the app. Now I click on open, and I will be redirected to the home page of the J&C app, which looks like this. Now in this home page, you can see two options in the top right corner, which is login and sign up. So as you have already enrolled with J&C Language School, you can simply click on login. Now it shows you various options of logging in. The very important thing that you need to keep in mind here at the step of login is that you need to use the particulars, or for example the email address and the phone number which you have filled in the admission form, because when the J&C Language School's admin team processes your admission form and checks all the details, they use that particular email or the phone number to add to your profile when they give you access to the course. So you have to simply click on continue with email, and you have to enter the email address you have filled in the admission form. So this is my email address. I will click on get code, and it will send you a code for verification over your email address. So I've got the code and I have filled it here. I'll click on verify now. Perfect. So yes, here now I have logged in, and I'll click on top right corner my courses option to be redirected to this page. So as you can see here, you can find several options here in the bottom, that is the schedule, chats, activity and account. Let's explore these one by one. Now this is my home page where I can find my particular course, the one I enrolled for. For example, my batch code is 25.59 and I enrolled for a French course, and these are my particular timings. So I can see this course here. If I click on it, I'll be able to see different sections also, like this is where I have to actually join the classes from. So in the timeline section, you can find all the live sessions in a sequential order or in a timeline format basically. Also in the timeline section at the top, you can see share something. This is a section where you can add your doubts, or if there is anything you will discuss with the instructor or your batchmates, you can simply create a discussion and you can upload it here and everyone will be able to see it. Then your next session, here in this sessions section, you have all the live sessions again uploaded here, and you can see which one is completed, which one is an upcoming session. So you can see your entire schedule here. Further, in your next section, that is content, you can find the entire study material uploaded here. So if I go to the J&C Multimedia Library and if I click on French Library, I have the entire library uploaded here, that is all the PDFs. So if you can find different options here like books, comics, so there are a number of books and comics you can refer to In order to expand your vocabulary, then you have level-wise PDF. So this is a section where you find level-by-level study material. For example, I am at A1 level, I'm a complete beginner, and I will click to A1 level. I have different sections again, like grammar PDFs, listening, reading, vocabulary. So for example, let's go to grammar PDFs. So yes, I can find all the topics here and I can practice from here. Similarly, you have the entire study material in this particular section. Also, in this same section at the bottom, you can find session recordings. So yes, here if you click on this, you can find all the class recordings in a sequential order. So if you miss a class someday by chance, you can cover it with the help of a recording, or if you want to revise anything from any previous class, in that case also you can visit the recordings anytime. Also, if you go to the sessions and if you click on any of the completed session, for example, this 12th September class has already been completed. If I click on it, I'll be able to see an AI generated summary, which will help me a lot to overview the class quickly, that whatever has been covered, I can find it here. Now, I'm going to show you the other section, that is the leaderboard. So the leaderboard is a section where you can definitely assess your knowledge as compared to your other batchmates. So it shows you the leaderboard of past 7 days and all the time, and yeah, that's how it works. Further, you have settings, so of course you get an option to leave the course. If you have, for example, you switched your batch to some other one and you want to leave this particular course, of course you can move here. Then also on the top right corner, you can find one bell icon, that is for your notifications. So yes, you get all your important updates here. For example, any new content has been added, so yes, you will get a notification for it here. So that's how you can refer to it. Now coming back to the home page and checking all the features at the bottom corner, you find schedule. So yes, this will help you to find all your upcoming sessions and the past sessions. So the past sessions, again, if you click on any of the class, you can find the option of playing the recording or finding the summary of the class. And if you click on upcoming, you'll be able to check your schedule, which all days you have your classes, and yes, you can do that from here. Further, you have the section of chats. So yes, here you can click on chat with admin and you can send them a text here. For example, you're facing any issues on the app, or if you want to get anything resolved, you can connect with the admin here. And to chat with the instructor, you can simply click on your badge and drop any message, any doubt you have. So you can ask all of that from the chat section. Moving forward is activity. Okay, so this is a very important section where you can find how many sessions you have attended already, what is your average attendance, and all of it. Perfect. Moving forward, you have your account. So yes, here you can view your profile, and if there are any details you want to edit or change, you can simply do that from here. So yes, that was all about this entire J&C Language School application for iOS users. So if you have any further questions, feel free to drop a comment on this video and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much. Have a great learning experience ahead.